Hello students, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. GSC date 28/1/2021. So we have to study lesson 4th, adaptation in animals. Lesson 4, adaptation in animals. Adaptation in animals. So lesson 4, adaptation in animals. So you have to open page number 20. Page number 20. We are studying adaptation to environment. So according to their habitats, animals can be placed under the following grades. That is the animals according to their habitat. They are terrestrials, they are divided into different categories. Next, aquatic, third, amphibians, third is amphibians, and next one arboreal, and fifth is aerial. Aerial. So on the basis of their habitat, animals may be categorized into following 5 categories. One is terrestrial, second one is aquatic, third one amphibians, fourth is the arboreal, and fifth is aerial. So, as you know, the terrestrial animals which are found on the land, as human beings, cow, goat, etc., lion, tiger. These are found on the land. Mainly they respire by lungs. And next, aquatic animals which are found in the water. You are familiar to the fish. Fishes are the example which are found in the water. And next, amphibians are the animals which are able to live in water or on the land. You are familiar to the frog. Frog can live in water or on the land. Next one after amphibian, next arboreal. These are the animals which are mainly found on the tree, found in the tree. And you are familiar to the animals like monkey. Monkeys are found on the tree. So, arboreal is a category of animals which are found on the trees, mainly found on the trees. And next, aerial. Aerial are the animals which are mainly found in the air, which can fly as birds. So these are the different type of the habitat and where animals are found. So on the basis of habitat, animals are categorized in the following categories. One is the terrestrial, which are found on the land; aquatic, animals which are found in the water; amphibians, which are found in the water or on the land; and arboreal, which are found in the tree; and next one the aerial, which are found in the air. So we have to discuss in detail one by one. First, we have to study about the terrestrial animals. So first, we have to study in detail about the terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. So the animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Most land animals have legs to move and lungs to breathe. They have well-developed sense organs which help them in various activities such as protecting themselves from their enemies and bad weather conditions. Tiger, lion, elephant, giraffe, rhinos, snakes, cows, cow, buffalo, and there are some examples of terrestrial animals. Reptiles like snakes do not have legs. They have plates or scales that help them crawl. The land has different features like mountain, plains, deserts. It is cold in the mountains. The polar regions are covered with snow throughout the year. In deserts, it is extremely hot and dry in summer and very cold in winter. The animals living in the mountains and the polar regions have special features which protect them from the freezing cold of these places. Animals like polar bear and yak have thick fur which protect them from the cold their body stores fat food in the form of fat. It makes them look huge in size. Animals which are found on the poles, because poles have extremely low temperature, as polar bear, penguins. So they have some special feature by which they can live on the poles. They have a thick layer of the fat in their body. They have the long hairs. So these are adapted to live in extremely low temperature. And animals which are found in the desert having extremely high temperature, they are adapted to live in that particular area. Polar animals cannot live in the desert areas, and desert areas animals can live in the polar areas, because they are adapted for a particular region of the land. Animals like seal and walrus also have thick layers of fat called blubbers to protect them from the severe cold and to keep their bodies warm. Penguins do store food in the form of fat in their bodies. They sit very close to another for warmth and thus keep away cold. Animals that live in deserts usually have special adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme temperature and conditions, extreme temperatures and conditions. They can survive on very less food and water, conserve water in the body, and can protect themselves from heat and cold. You are familiar with the camel, that is called as the sheep of the desert. The camel is a well-known desert animal. It is adapted to survive without food and water for many days at a stretch. It drinks a lot of water at one time. It stores food as fat in its hump. This fat provides energy to the animal when food is not available or scarce. In deserts, snakes and lizards are active only during dawn and dusk. The desert rat is active during the night and sleep in the cool water during the day. So these are about the terrestrial animals. Next time we will discuss about the aquatic animals. Thank you. That's part of it.